I thought office coffee was just sadness in a cup. Now you're telling me it can raise my cholesterol too.
Not all office coffee, just the kind brewed through metal mesh or with no filter. Same beans, different tool, and a very different effect on LDL. Quick refresher, LDL is the bad cholesterol. Think of it as delivery trucks dropping cholesterol on your artery walls.
So my workload isn't the only thing clogging my arteries.
Exactly. Work raises your stress. The way you brew coffee can raise your LDL. Let's see. What happens inside the body? Everyone blames caffeine, but caffeine isn't the LDL problem. The culprits are two oily compounds in coffee called diterpenes, cafestol and kahweol.
Wait, coffee has oil?
Tiny amounts, but powerful. Cafestol is one of the strongest food compounds we know for raising cholesterol.
So the problem isn't the caffeine, it's the oils.
In simple terms, your liver makes bile from cholesterol to digest fats. Cafestol tells the liver to make less bile. Less bile means you use up less cholesterol, which means more LDL is left floating in your blood.
So my liver's recycling program goes on strike, and LDL throws a house party.
Pretty much. How much of those oils land in your cup depends on how you brew. No filter, like boiled Turkish or French press. The highest diterpenes. Espresso, it varies. The shot is small, but it can be concentrated depending on the machine or the capsule. Office machines with metal mesh or a steel basket, usually in between, more than paper filter, less than fully unfiltered. Paper filter drip, very low. Most oils stay trapped in the grounds. Instant coffee, usually the lowest. Processing strips a lot of oils.
So paper filters are like oil catchers for coffee.
Exactly. In some tests, over 87% of cafestol stays in the grounds with paper filtering. Only a tiny fraction reaches your mug. Here's the part nobody tells you. Many office machines use metal mesh baskets or internal screens. That lets more of those oils through. A 2025 workplace analysis estimated that simply swapping 3 workday cups from metal filter coffee to paper filter could drop LDL by about 0.58 millimoles per liter, roughly 22 milligrams per deciliter.
So changing a basket can change a blood test.
Yep.
What about those fancy capsule machines at work? Is it bad?
If the capsule uses a real paper filter, or your machine takes paper inserts, you're safer. Mesh-only baskets mean more oils.
Decaf means I'm safe, right?
Decaf only removes caffeine. The oils can still be there. The LDL story is about diterpenes, not caffeine. More coffee oils in the cup means more LDL on the report. Simple as that.
So my mug really does show up on my blood work.
If your LDL runs high or heart disease is in the family. At work, choose paper filter drip when you can. If the office uses metal mesh, bring paper cone inserts or a single cup paper dripper. Love French press? Rotate it. Don't make it your all day, every day. What's your office setup? Mesh basket, capsules, or paper drip? Drop it in the comments and tell us if you're switching this week.
And hit subscribe so we can keep exposing the cute little health gotchas hiding in your break room
Be nice to your LDL.
and your pickles. See
See you
you
next
next
time.
time.